Welcome back, and a very positive news coming in for the Indian markets here, where the SEBI has prescribed norms now for the commodity derivatives market, saying that a cross-margin benefit of nearly 75% on initial margin is what the commodity participants can now make use of. Now, this is for eligible offsetting of positions of index futures and underlying futures. Ramesh Vardekar of ICICI Securities now joins us to talk further about that. Ramesh, hi, good to have you. First of all, how do you see this step? Because the markets do believe that the capital efficiency and also, the fact that SEBI, since it has been a regulator, has introduced various new, better instruments for the commodity markets.
Thanks, Manisha, for having me on the show. I believe there is another welcome step by SEBI in development of commodity markets. And this move by SEBI will benefit commodity markets. And it's a welcome move.
Ramesh, how would you look at this 75% of benefit on the initial margin? Are there enough people who are trading into all of these instruments? Do you see a lot of participation coming back into commodity markets because of this step from SEBI?
This step will definitely help arbitrageurs as well as retail clients. Because if you look at in the past, many contracts have been withdrawn and the margins on commodities had gone up last year. With SEBI peak margin, the client also needs to pay the full margin. There will not be any more leverage. So this should help arbitrageurs as well as retail customers so that they can have lesser margin and they'll be able to trade into indices and also offset their position by taking counter position in underlying commodity.
Fair point. You know, Ramesh, when the commodity market started, not everybody was very aware of it. It's actually called a very sophisticated market. While, of course, we have seen futures and options for the hedgers there, but index trading is something that is open to a wider participation. It is cash settled. And now, because we have a margin benefit here on spread positions, do you see more participants coming in? How does the market open up for investors here?
Definitely, yes, Manisha. These are all cash settled contracts, and it's just been few months. Like this was launched end of last year, both the index futures, which is commodity indices and metal indices, and gradually the traction has been increasing. There is a welcome step with this. Both the markets should become liquid. When I say both the markets, it's the indices and also the underlying commodities as the margins will come down.
Ramesh, you said that this will decrease or cut the cost of trading when it comes to commodity markets. What's your sense on the liquidity enhancement here? That's yet another positive. And to participation, I mean, have you guys done any maths on how much more participation will we see because of this?
As I said, this is just new. It's been 5-6 months that the indices have been launched, and gradually the traction is increasing. No, as of now, I don't have the number that how much the participation will increase, but definitely it should be a welcome move.
Also, how do you read the fact that the cross-margin benefit will be applicable only to the first 3 expiring months? I mean, we do see it as a concern that it usually is only the first month which is most active.
Yeah, it's good to start with 3 months, as we see the liquidity in commodities is only in the first month and a little liquid in the second month. It's good to start, but with indices and assets, I think we should see third month, fourth month also getting liquid now.
And would you have any sense on what commodities, Ramesh, or what indices that the participants would want to start trying this first on?
I believe the traction will be more on the bullion index and the underlying commodities, which is gold and silver. And we also seen good rally in metals. So for metal index, the underlying commodities are copper, lead, aluminum, nickel, and zinc. So if at all you ask me, initially these are the commodities which...
Fair point. Ramesh, a final question. So while SEBI has made a lot of new or has made a lot of new initiatives when it comes to commodity markets, whether it has been options or options on goods, and now we have this, margin positive news coming in for the industry as well. Where do you see the commodity industry in light of all of this, and what would you say is still a requirement for further participation?
As of now, it's not much of the corporates who come and hedge their positions on this. So there's a lot of need to get corporates on board. So it's a chicken and egg story. When you want corporates to come in, you need to have 5-month liquidities, and they look at 7th, 8th, 9th month liquidity also, which is not there. And ask from the industry. So in case we can have 5-month contract liquid, I believe there can be a lot of participation which can increase and actual users can come on board.
Point taken. Ramesh, thank you so much for joining us. So a big opportunity coming in for the commodity derivative markets. But as Ramesh pointed out, there still is a lot of requirement, and we hope that SEBI is hearing.
All right. Thanks a lot for that, Manisha. Well, we have completely run out of time on halftime reports, so we'll wrap up on the show with news that the market is as flat as can be. Business Lunch takes the action forward.